Yes, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Apply Digital APLD. APLD. So, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment as we are going to dive into the technical. So, guys, this talk let's talk on Friday. Stock loss negative 4.4%. 5 days ago, we know he pumped a lot some recently, and now on 5 days he dipped 5%. Why he dipped, I will go to explain. And then another 1 month 11%, 6 months is negative 10, year to date. So guys, as a long time ago, this stock is already down since 1 year and here. But when you see on last 5 years, stock is already more than 4.7 thousand, guys. That's a lot of percentage, and an all-time high. Stocks down 73%. Is it the time to go to load APLD? And when you put here like when you put here, let me connect here with my Wi-Fi. So sorry guys, so my Wi-Fi, I connect with another weak Wi-Fi, but let me connect with the strong Wi-Fi here. And here we go now, guys. This is the APLD, and when it's loading up, let's see the market cap. So it has report on October, so earnings is coming on October earnings. Remember, EPS is they're estimating negative 2 cents, and the revenue, when you see here over the revenue, they are targeted revenue 55,000 revenue. This are some of the key things that we need to see on this stock. Okay, market cap here is 500,000 and 534,000. Oh, 534 million. That's a market cap, guys. It's half a billion, and the net inflow still negative 150 million. We see PC here, guys, is negative revenue. Is the target revenue 165, and then when you see PETA, guys, positive here to date. This is very important. When you see the PETA is positive, this thing means the stock is going to be profitable in future. That's what I'm thinking. And let's go to the technicals over here, and I will go to play 1, 2, 3 videos over here, which is coming right now. So on the daily, because you still stock is still on sell off, but the stock is still on sell. When you see the technicals over here, but yeah, on technical somewhere it is telling you, and this is very interesting, like daily remember, guys, this one is changing anytime soon. Whenever my Monday is going to signal maybe pi. This is just a simple thing. But when you come on forecast here, guys, why is this stock targeting more than 300%? We see APLD closest to $3.6, and we are estimating 150%, which is, that's a medium target, which will be 9, and the highest will be targeting more than 12%, and that will be 228%. But now the president on the 7 analyzer stock rating Apply Digital, in the last 3 months, they told you stock is very strong sell. Okay, you can buy the stock on this week, guys. And another reason why the stock was coming down is because, remember, the APLD also is mining Bitcoin and also on AI. Yeah, so it's also mining Bitcoin and also is an AI stock. And when you see it here, it's telling on news here, Apply Digital issue 53 million convertible. This is the reason why the stock coming down, guys. There is a reason Apply Digital issue 150 53.2 million comfortable preferred stock to advance HPS data center to project and accelerated growth. So guys, like this one is comfortable, is just like another dilution if it is me, and this guys make stock come down in the last they issued this on August 31st, so I don't know what's going to happen on Monday. And because yesterday was 31st and this one guys, so we are going to see what's going to happen on Monday, okay? And yeah, so guys here say telling you here, Apply Digital Corporation, Apply Digital designed to build and operate on next generation digital infrastructure designed to enter into a private financial arrangement with a single investors, pursuing the which company issued in a comfortable reverse stock in the net proceed in the 50 million. We are pleased to announce the transition which is further our vision and support key initiatives across the business, said by Wes, this is the chairman. Apply Digital, we believe this additional compatible will be help us to accelerate our expansion of the brand and keep current. So guys, like this one is going to happen, it's going to help company, but as you as an investor, the price, we saw many stocks like Mara, Riot doing the same thing. Applied CleanSpark, and stock in a short time is going to decrease and before skyrocketing. So the same thing we are expecting now. This thing next week is going to affect APLD before bouncing the other week. That's my thinking, because so when you see here, they say in comfortable preferred stock has started value of 1,000 per share, and the pair interest percentage payable in a BAK or a cash. The investor has funded 50 million at the closing. Such shares represent about 6% of original discount. So guys, if they're going to dilute around 50 million, so it's telling you it represent 7% or 6%. Yeah, prefers the such shares represent the 6% original discount. Transition up to received shareholder approved preferred stock will become the convertible in the common stock the company in an initiative conversion by. So guys, this one is going to happen, and this will be conversation will be priced $7 per share premium, and reset the feature outlined within definition document. So guys, so like they are going to dilute with a 7. Remember, stock is now trading less than half, which is 3.5 or 3.6, and they are going to initiate conversion price of. So maybe they are going to there is another thing here, maybe they are going to pump stock to $7, and that dilution is going to happen with high price of around $7, and the premium of the offer 80%. That's why it's 80%, because half of it is just 80%. And Apply Digital allows the common stock price so long as the reset feature outlined with a definitive document in a trick. The company plan to use the proceed from this investment to fund the various growth initiatives across the business, which is a good thing. They are raising money to do more other things, and I like to play this video. I will not read everything here before I leave.
The profit and the loss, a solvency score, who's buying on the inside, sentiment around the stock, who's selling on the inside, a profitability and solvency score. A lot of detail here. We're going to look at the profit, the loss, how much debt they have. We're also going to take a look at the website. We're also going to look into some latest news and a full back test looking at the S&P 500. So a lot to go through right now. And again, just remind you that this company used to be Applied Blockchain. It's now Applied Digital. Okay, so This information is provided completely free of charge. No one pays me to make reviews like this. I'm not sponsored by the sources that I use. I use Alpha Spread. I will give you a link to that in a moment. I believe it's the most advanced algorithmic software because it's not bias, it's just numbers. And this is not like Mad Money or Jim Cramer where they have an opinion because they're paid to say an opinion or they're biased on it or whatever. I'm not trying to grow the biggest YouTube channel in the world. I'm trying to grow the best, most engaged, most honest channel in the world. And in fact, I'm not even in any stocks. I'm only in the S&P 500. I'm fully invested, but only in the S&P 500, so I can't be judged for being pumping, dumping, or spreading false information. All this information is facts using the most advanced software, and that is what I'm presenting to you right now. I will reply to all my members' comments in the comments below. So if you leave me a comment, I will answer all your questions. Do smash the like button if you like what you're seeing now. It helps grow the channel, but more importantly, it will suggest my content to you. If you don't like it, however, please click the down like, and you won't see my content anymore. That's what it does. That's really, really important. That if you don't like it, click the down like. And subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified about these breaking events and news throughout the day. Okay, what is Applied Digital? Let's start off nice and straightforward, and then we'll get into much more deep numbers as we go. Remember, this is now Applied Digital, was Applied Blockchain. Okay. So, what is it? If we look at it, it's Applied Digital Corporation operates as a technology company which engages in the development and operation of data centers which provide computing power. The company was founded in May 2001. It's headquartered in Dallas, Texas, just down the road from me. Literally 5 minutes away. The listed name for APLD is Applied Digital Corporation. Okay, now Wesley Carl Cummins is the CEO. I'd like to invite Wesley to respond to my review if you'd like to. If you'd like to reach out to me, I'd love to interview you. I do have a Meet the CEO series. Perhaps you might like to do that. Employees, 121 employees, small company. As I say, Dallas, Texas, just down the road, 2001. Now, if you were buying this on margin, 60% maintenance requirement, so it's regarded as mid-risk with this brokerage. If you were buying it through them, they regard it as mid-risk. Low risk is 25%, 100 is the maximum. Okay, as you can see here, it's a market cap of 662. Now remember, the market cap is just the value of the stock